Hello everyone. My name is Arenzi. I'll be your instructor for this course next year. Welcome to another section of SQL by Pure. So, in this course, you are going to learn everything you need to get started with SQL. Right? This course is ideal for anyone who wants to learn SQL from scratch. Now, by the end of this course, you'll be able to install Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. You'll be able to retrieve, insert, update, and delete data in databases. Now, we will also talk about tables, relationships, different types of joins, subqueries, and regular expressions. Well, these are essential concepts every data science. So, let's jump in.